Hey friends, I just went down to the powder coating place where I send all the manifolds out to get powder coated, and I have 2 jobs there and a third job went in there also, so I have 3 jobs there. And I was kind of like leaning into it, say, hey guys, when is these other 2 jobs going to be done? Because they've been there for, by my recollection, about 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. But she came back and she told me, she goes, well, they're going to go into color coming Monday, because they run, and this is why I'm making this video, to make you all hear and see and understand that it takes 30 days at the powder coater in the oven before they put color on it. 30 days of baking at a 400 degree cycle. Cool down at night, the next day 400 degrees. So these magnesium covers, they take that much time to get clean. So the stuff will bleed out. The impurities in the magnesium and aluminum, it bleeds out. And it's very critical that we do this correctly for you, even though you're kind of wondering, why is it taking me so long? Or why are you taking so long, Don or Dr. Blast? Why is it taking so long? Well, that's the ground truth right there. So it's 30 days in the oven here before color goes on it. So I just wanted to make that video to kind of drive the stake, put the middle tent pole up, so to speak, so you can all understand the processes, the time processes on that. So what's that saying, the colloquial phrase, it is what it is? So there it is. Have a good day, folks. See ya. Just want to let you know. Okay, bye.